Hello, good morning to all. How are you all? Fine, Jai Hind. Chapter 15, some natural phenomena and explanation is over. Okay. Now, today we are going to solve the exercise of this chapter, some natural phenomenon. First question is MCQs. Which of the following cannot be charged easily by friction? A copper rod. Answer is a copper rod. Second question. When a glass rod is rubbed with a piece of silk cloth, the rod become positively charged while the cloth has a negative charge. Okay. Then after, true or false? Like charges attract each other. False. False. A charged glass and rod attract a charged plastic straw. True. Lightning conductor cannot protect building from the lightning. False. Earthquake can be predicted in advance. False. Then after, question number 4. Sometimes a crackling sound is heard while taking off a sweater during winters. When we take out a sweater, woolen sweater gets charged due to the friction between the sweater and the body. This results in the cracking sound. Now explain why a charged body loses its charge if we touch it with our hand. The charge gets conducted to the earth through our body. When we touch it and the conductor loses its charge, this phenomenon is known as the electric discharge. Okay. Name the scale on which the destructive energy of an earthquake is measured. An earthquake measured on this scale. Would it be recorded by seismograph? Is it likely to cause much damage? Answer is Richter scale is used to measure the destructive energy of the earthquake. The scale has a reading from 1 to 10. An earthquake measuring 3 would be recorded by a seismograph. The magnitude of scale is 3 would not cause as much damage. An earthquake of magnitude 5 is considered as the destructive in nature. Suggest 3 measures to protect ourselves. क्या मेजरमेंट रखनी है हमें? मेजर सेफ्टी क्या रखनी है? तो ऑलवेज रिमेन इन ए क्लोज्ड प्लेस एंड इफ यू आर इन ए कार, स्टे देयर until the lightning is over and keep the windows closed. Never touch any electrical wires, telephones, cables, metal pipes. Never bath in running water. This may causes the electric shock. Okay, this may causes the electric shock. यहाँ पर ये आपका क्वेश्चन आंसर नंबर 7 completed. Then after question number 8. Explain why a charged balloon is repelled by another charged balloon, whereas an uncharged balloon is attracted by another charged balloon. The surface charge on the balloons are of the same nature. Hence, they get repelled when the charged balloon is brought near an uncharged balloon due to the induction of charge. It acquires charges which are opposite in nature with that of a charged balloon, as unlike charges attract each other. The uncharged balloon gets attracted by the charged balloon. Okay. Then after, describe with the help of a diagram an instrument which can be used to detect a charged body. It consists of a metal rod on which 2 leaves of aluminum foil are fixed to one end of a metal disc. At the other end, the leaves are kept inside a conical flask and cord is isolated from the atmospheric air. When a charged body comes in contact with the metal disc, the aluminum leaves move away from each other because some charges get transferred to aluminum leaves through the metal rod. This process is called charging by conduction. Okay. Then after, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, लिस्ट 3 स्टेट्स इन इंडिया जहाँ पर अर्थक्वेक ज़्यादा आता है. तो गुजरात, आसाम, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर आर द 3 स्टेट्स वर अर्थक्वेक इज मोर लाइकली टू स्ट्राइक. सपोज यू आर आउटसाइड योर होम, तब आपको क्या प्रोटेक्शन लेने हैं अगर आप घर से बाहर हो? तो फाइंड एंड गो आउट द एन ओपन फील्ड एंड स्टे अवे फ्रॉम ए बिल्डिंग्स, ट्रीज, इलेक्ट्रिक वायर एंड पोल्स. इफ यू आर इन ए कार, देन ड्राइवर टू एन ओपन फील्ड एंड डू नॉट कम आउट ऑफ योर कार. The weather department has predicted that thunderstorm is likely to occur on a certain day. Suppose you have to go and out on the day, would you carry umbrella? No, one should not carry an umbrella during a thunderstorm. The thunderstorm is accompanied by lightning and the charges might travel from the cloud to the metal rod on the umbrella and might causes an electric shock to the person carrying it. It is not safe to carry an umbrella during the lightning. Then after extra question. Then after extra questions, multiple choice question. An electroscope is a device which is used to find if an object is charged. The movement of the earth plates causes earthquake. Then after question number 3rd, major earthquake are less likely to occur in Odisha. Tsunami means, question 4 is, tsunami means earthquake under the sea. During thunderstorm it is safer to take shelter under short trees. Fill in the blanks. The electrical charges generated by rubbing two objects is called static electricity. The answer is, fill in the blanks ka first answer is static electricity. Okay. Then after next question, Richter scale is used to express the magnitude of an earthquake. Dash, two types of the charges are gained by the rubbing object. Nitrogen fixation occur during the lightning. Seismograph is the instrument that record the seismic waves. Then after match the following. Richter scale, power of earthquake. Waves recorder, seismograph. Earthquake, sudden shaking of the earth. Copper conductor, transfer of the change to the earth, earthing. Tsunami, earthquake under the sea. What is lightning of कंडक्टर क्या है, हाउ डज इट वर्क. तो यहाँ पर आपको लाइटनिंग कंडक्टर वाला जो डायग्राम है टेक्स्ट बुक में भी दिया हुआ है. यू हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस इन आंसर लाइटनिंग कंडक्टर वाले में. देन आफ्टर आपको इसका आंसर लिखना है. ओके. लाइटनिंग कंडक्टर इज अ डिवाइस used to protect the building from the effect of lightning. A metallic rod taller than the building is installed in the wall of the building during its construction. One end of the rod is kept out in the air and the other is buried deep into the ground, as shown in the figure. The rod provides easy route in the transfer of electric charge to the ground. The metal column is used during construction. Electrical wire and water pipes in the building also protect us to an extent, but we should not touch them during thunderstorm. हमें थंडरस्टॉर्म के टाइम पर उसको टच नहीं करना चाहिए. ओके स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पर आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक एक्सरसाइज एंड एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस फिनिश होते हैं. चैप्टर 15. ओके, सम नेचुरल फिनोमेनन. ओके स्टूडेंट, आपको अपनी नोटबुक कंप्लीट कर लेनी है. ओके, बाय.